Hey guys, welcome back to Must Be online tutorial video to teach you how to use the Focus Athena Jet Plus DTG printer. So this video teaches you how to install the control system, the control software and the RIP software on your computer. So first, when you get a machine from Focus, you get the USB flash from Focus, and then you copy the old file to your desktop computer, and then you open it. You will see there are some folders and the installation video and the control software, RIP software, and test printing file. And the installation video have lots of videos to teach you step by step how to use the machine. So please must learn from the installation video carefully before you install the machine and using the machine. And also here have control software and the RIP software and test printing file. So this video teaches you how to install the software on your computer. First, we must install the control software. And here have a setting for Windows 10 system. And we just double click it. This we must, if your computer is Windows 10 system, we must right click and run in this system to do some setting to disable the driver signature from your computer. And it will be automatically shut down your computer and reboot again. So before you click this file, please save all the job on your computer. After you do this step, run this system, then we go back to the Athena Jet Plus, and we unzip the file, and we click to install it. And we choose modify and next and finish. After we install the control system, we will get an icon here named Focus Athena Jet Plus. And if we disable the computer with the machine, we open it, we will get error message said printer not found because my computer right now is not connected with the machine, and also the machine is not power on. Later we teach you how to open it and how to use this control system. Okay, so this step to install the control system. Then we go to install the RIP software, and we also go to the folder, and we find out the RIP software folder, and we right click and zip file, and we go to install the RIP. We choose yes, and we choose the language English, and we confirm and next. And here we can set the position we want to, the folder we want to print, to select the folder you want to install. And also you can choose, you can go to setting, you can create a new folder to install, like RIP, print, the date. Install again. Choose yes, and choose the language you want, Chinese and English, and next, and you choose browse the folder we set before, the next, and click desktop icon and choose next and install. we choose repair and then next and finish and install the Microsoft system to get the verify and click finish and then click finish. So this finish succeed, and then we go to the desktop. We can see there's an icon named reprint, and we open it. And before you open the reprint, you need to plug in the USB key, the blue USB key to the computer. The blue USB key is not a flash, but it's a key, and this is nothing inside, just the key. And you plug in the USB key on your computer, and then you open it. Okay, this is the interface, and here is show nothing. And when we plug out, we remove the USB key. It will show demonstration. So this you cannot rip, and you must plug in the USB key on your computer, and it will disappear. So this you got the copyright from Focus. And so after you open the interface, we go to the left top. And we click the icon, and we go to print setting to be sure the settings is okay. We get the printer setting, then the Focus Incorporation and Epson 4720. So this is for DTG using, and keep it default. And so the interface like this. So if you get like this, get this reprint system open, so that means you are no any error code show message show on your computer. That means your RIP software is install finish, install succeed, and later we teach you how to rip the file. Thank you.